The Algorand cryptographic money is the new age blockchain network. The innovation is as of now called Blockchain 3.0. The explanation is that it tackles the most squeezing issues of Bitcoin's adaptability while keeping up with security and decentralization. It is accepted that this new advanced organization will work on the effectiveness of the ordinary monetary framework, and its convention will work with the smooth course of monetary forms. Algorand is a decentralized and open blockchain framework, the primary objective of which is to make a blockchain stage open to everybody, extending the capacities of clients. The primary elements of the ALGO stage are high throughput and moment obviousness, which give incredible straightforwardness. Because of this, clients can rapidly and inexpensively move ALGO cryptographic money. Algorand works on confirmation of stake, an agreement calculation through which holders get prizes by basically holding digital money in their wallets or trade adjusts. The Algorand network has its local authority token. For its underlying dissemination, the IEO of the Binance trade was utilized. Tokens were conveyed through a Dutch closeout on the grounds that the makers were persuaded that the market members ought to decide the coin's worth. Dutch sale implies that costs are brought in slipping request as opposed to rising one. Algorand value examination. Prior to settling on any speculation choices, doing some sort of preliminary work is essential. In this way, you ought to do your own examination and dissect the value history to find repeating examples and markers so the worth of your ventures wouldn't plunge, as indicated by the Algorand cost expectations. This computerized cash might develop soon. Likewise, numerous crypto specialists decidedly survey the eventual fate of LGO, and we trust that over the long run and with legitimate turn of events, the cost of Algorand will proceed with its development pattern. Algorand real cost. As of October 18th, the Algorand cost today is $1.73. The cost has changed by 8 cents as of now. Algorand has altogether 10 billion ALGO tokens available for use. The unequaled most elevated ALGO cost is $3.67. The most minimal and listed cost of a LGO is 9 cents. In the event that you intend to purchase Algorand coins, the best and most secure spot for it is a worldwide digital currency trade at our foundation for Moment Crypto Coins Buy. Best rates, beneficial exchanging offers by our fiat to crypto exchanging accomplices, and expert client care are ensured to you. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Algorand costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Algorand will be 29 cents. The most extreme level that the ALGO cost can reach is 35 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 30 cents. Possible return for capital invested. 63.6% by ALGO value conjecture for January 2023 in light of the value variances of Algorand toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical ALGO pace of 22 cents in January 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 20 cents and at 23 cents individually. Likely return on initial capital investment, 9.1% by February 2023. Algorand value conjecture digital currency specialists are prepared to report their estimate for the ALGO cost in February 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 21 cents, while the greatest could reach 24 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Algorand may be around 22 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 13.6% by ALGO value conjecture for WALC 2023. Crypto experts have actually looked at the value changes of Algorand in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal ALGO rate they anticipate may be around 23 cents in WALC 2023. It can drop to 22 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 25 cents. Expected return on initial capital investment, 18.2% by April 2023. Algorand value conjecture around mid-year 2022, the ALGO cost will be exchanged at 24 cents overall. April 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Algorand worth to 26 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 23 cents in April 2023. Expected return for money invested, 22.7% by ALGO value figure for May 2023. Crypto specialists have dissected Algorand costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to May 2023, 25 cents. The most minimal and top ALGO rates may be 24 cents and 27 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 27.3% by June 2023. Algorand value conjecture crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the ALGO cost will be around 25 cents. In June 2023, the Algorand cost might drop to at least 24 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 28 cents in June 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 31.8% by Algo value figure for July 2023 having examined Algorand costs. Cryptographic money specialists expect that the Algo rate could arrive at a limit of 29 cents in July 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to 25 cents. For July 2023, the gauge normal of Algorand is almost 26 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 36.4% by August 2023. Algorand value estimate around mid-2022. The Algorand cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 27 cents. Crypto experts expect that in August 2023, the Algo cost could vary somewhere in the range of 26 cents and 30 cents. Likely return for money invested, 40.9% by Algo value gauge for September 2023. Market specialists expect that in September 2023, the Algorand worth won't dip under at least 26 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for the current month is 32 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 27 cents. Likely return for money invested, 50% by October 2023. Algorand value estimate. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly investigated the scope of Algo costs all through 2022. For October 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The greatest exchanging worth of Algorand will be around 33 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 28 cents. In October 2023, the normal expense will be 29 cents. Possible return for capital invested, 54.5% by Algo value conjecture for November 2023 in view of the value changes of Algorand toward the start of 2022. Crypto specialists expect the typical Algo pace of 29 cents in November 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 29 cents and at 34 cents. Separately, expected return for capital invested, 59.1% by December 2023. Algorand value gauge. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their figure for the Algo cost in December 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 29 cents, while the greatest could reach 35 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Algorand may be around 30 cents. Possible return for capital invested, 63.6% by Algorand value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Algorand in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Algorand will be around 43 cents. The greatest expected Algo cost might be around 51 cents. Overall, the exchanging cost may be 44 cents in 2024. Algorand value expectation 2025 in view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Algorand. In 2025, Algo is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 62 cents and 77 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 65 cents. Algorand value expectation 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Algorand and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base Algo cost could drop to 89 cents, while its greatest can reach $1.09. By and large, the